Geometric series is the sum of the terms in a geometric sequence. So we can calculate this by following this formula. Okay, so example one, a fish hatchery, at a fish hatchery, the fish hatch at different times, even though the eggs were all fertilized at the same time. Okay, the number of fish that hatched on each of the first 4 days after fertilization was 2. So maybe T1 equals 2, T2 equals 10, T3 equals 50, and T4 equals 250, okay, respectively. So that just means in order. If the pattern continues, calculate the total number of fish hatched during the first 10 days, okay? So we need the sum at day 10. All right, so let's sub this right in. So S at 10 equals, we want AR to the N. So A is 2 because that's the first term. The R. So what we want to do is just like, remember like the first differences, but we actually do like ratios. 250 divided by 50, I get 5. Or if we did 50 divided by 10, I would get 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2, we get 5 each time. So every single time this number increases, it increases by a factor of 5. So we have R equals 5. So let's sub in that 5, exponent n, which is 10, and then we subtract the first term, A. Oh, I didn't even sub it in here, 2. Here we go. Okay, R minus 1. So R, again, the ratio is 5 minus 1. Okay, and remember bedmass for this. Okay, 5 to the 10 we have to do first. A lot of people will be multiplying the 2 and the 5, and that's wrong. So 2 times 9,765,625 minus 2 divided by 4. So let's multiply that by 2. If you want to see all the work, it's 19,531,250. Subtract 2, and then divide by 4. I get 4,882,812. There we go. Okay, so therefore, on the first 10 days, this many, 4,882,812 eggs hatch. Okay, an example 2. So I already wrote the formula out for us, but the geometric series, negative 11, so let's go T1 equals negative 11, T2 equals negative 33, T3 equals negative 99, and so on. Determine Sn. Okay, so that's just going to be like the general form. So let's go A, we know is going to be negative 11. And then for the ratio, we want to divide. Negative 99 divided by negative 33 is 3. Divide again. Negative 33 divided by negative 11 is 3. So every single time, these are increasing by a factor of 3. Okay, so Sn equals A, which is negative 11, R, which is 3 to the n, minus A, which is negative 11, all over R minus 1. So 3 minus 1. Okay, let's just simplify that a little bit more. Negative 11 times 3 to the n. And we can do add 11. All divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is going to be the general form of the sum of the first n terms. So if you wanted to figure out like the sum of the first 8 rows, you just sub an 8, and so on, because now we have S in terms of just one variable, which is n. If you want to do this a little bit, go a little bit further with this, we can actually factor out this negative 11, and we're left with 3 to the n minus 1 inside, and then divided by 2. And we can factor these out. So negative 11 divided by 2, I mean, if we want ugly decimal, we can just simply write it as negative 5.5 times 3 to the n minus 1. And then these would be multiplied.